My name's Wade. This is the Old Blood Noise Procession. Like all the pedals I get excited about, it's sort of unique, it's sort of messy, it can be complex, or you can enjoy it on a surface level. It's basically 4 or 5 really simple effects that are combined to make one really unique reverb. So you've got a reverb and pretty simple controls. You've got your bypass switch, and then you've got a mix knob, and the length of reverb is just labeled reverb. Then you've got 3 levels of modulation. So you've got a speed and a depth knob that control how fast the modulation moves and how deep inside the reverberation the modulation is going. You've got a switch where you can switch between trim, filter, which is sort of like an auto wah, and then flange, which is sort of, on the surface it sounds a little like the auto wah, but you've got more of a through zero thing happening. Then you've got the option to turn your mix knob all the way up. One of the most fun things to do with this. And you've got 2 options for hold. This second switch is a momentary hold switch where you can hold it down and then you'll be playing over a pad of yourself, or you can sort of dial in what you want by turning this all the way over and it'll hold indefinitely. So obviously, where that would be really cool is if I had, like a POG or something running in front of this, but I didn't set anything up in front of it. You get the idea. You can essentially run your clean signal over the top of a pad, what you just played. The only thing you need to watch out for is if your mix all the way up, it has nothing to sample, so you won't hear anything. So you've got to have your mix, 95% or less, and then you've got to have something for it to sample, and it has to be, I don't know, it's like maybe just the last couple percent on the reverb knob where it starts to hold. Okay, and let's just listen to it as a reverb for a second. Pair this thing with the Old Blood Noise Haunt and Black Fountain, and you can tell they were made by the same dude. You can tell they were meant to go together. They sound amazing. Check out my clips on Instagram to hear me coming up with a little more interesting stuff for it. Alright, thank you.